exploring prompt engineering frameworks that will make you an expert prompt engineer. Ever wondered why some AI interactions work well while others fail? The key lies in how you ask queries. Prompt engineering helps create impactful prompts for AI models like ChatGPT. Frameworks provide a clear roadmap for efficient AI interaction. They boost productivity and creativity. Number 1 is Create. It organizes prompts into 6 components: character, request, examples, adjustment, type of output, and extras. Second is Rise. This framework provides the model step by step for role, input, execute, and steps. Third one is Glue. Guides to arranged prompts in goal, list, unpack, and examine. Next is ITAP. The main objective of this framework is to organize prompts for tasks that need structured data, input, task, annotation, and prediction. Number 5 is APE. Action, purpose, and expectation. Other one is RACE, role, action, context, and expectations. This framework defines the LLM's role, the action it should take, the situation's context, and the desired result. Number 7 is GHOST, character, objectives, action, scenario, and task. Number 8 is TAG, task, action, and goal. This framework focuses on specifying the task, the precise steps that it needs to take, and the prompt's main objective. The last one is STAR, situation, task, action, and result. This is consistent with the structure of some frameworks such as Create or LMBF. LMBF means Large Language Model Best Friend. To sum up, prompt engineering frameworks provide an organized method for realizing the greatest opportunity for AI-driven discussions. It's time to act now. Accept the power of prompt engineering to give your projects exciting new opportunities. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.